Oh yeah, we back again, baby. F900 GS today. Should be a good one. Got some knobbies on it. It's definitely more of an off-road bike. It's gonna have more power. It'll be a fun one. Oh yes, we like that. On the F900 GS this time. So the view probably looks real similar, but this one's got the knobby tires. It's definitely more of an off-road bike, and it's got a little more power for sure. Definitely got more power. More power, baby. Yeah, bump. Yeah, that shit is light. The bumps are nothing on the old GS. Absolutely nothing. This bike is dialed, man. Woo. This one has an Akrapovich, so we might get a little more sound out of this one. I can't say it's much louder than the F800 was, but still sound good. So hopefully the wind noise isn't absolutely smoking my audio today, because it is very windy today. So we'll see how it goes. I am in row mode, and I mean, it's pretty responsive. Apparently dynamic is the more responsive mode, so we're gonna switch it to dynamic. I was in dynamic yesterday on the F800 GS, and I mean, it felt good. We're gonna stick with that. Oh yeah, I hope y'all can hear that exhaust, man. That thing sounds good. Oh yeah, dynamic mode definitely hits. It's hitting. Oh yeah, you touch that throttle on this 900 and it's moving. Woo! Yeah, it's a fun one, man. We'll see about ripping the 310. Ripped a little 310 today. Have some fun on an actual beginner bike. Because Lord knows, this is not a beginner bike, but I'm confident enough in my ability, and it's nice having a group of folks around you who are also riding motorcycles with someone leading the ride nicely. Oh yeah, those bumps ain't shit. Oh yeah, give me all those bumps. Yeah, ADV bike, baby. Yeah, sounds good. I like that. I like it a lot. Engineered for BMW Motorrad. And it is engineered nicely. She got some nice pops and burbles. Oh yes. We like that, my friend. Ooh, getting a little foggy in this visor right now. Might have to open it up a bit. That's cool, man. The electronic windshield. That's dope. BMW's playing no games, man. Has to be expected. And we absolutely love that. We love their cars, we love their bikes. Can't go wrong with a Beamer. Oh, I got my heated grips on. I need to turn that shit off. Oh yeah, that bitch hits. Absolutely hits, my friend. Heated grips are off now. My hands were hot. I low-key might put it back in road mode, because this shit hits in dynamic, man. I mean, it's fast, so it fucking hits in road mode, but it's another animal in dynamic. I mean, it's just ready to go. Thing is ready to rumble. So if you saw my video on the F800 GS, this is pretty much the same bike, just slightly taller, probably because it's on knobbier tires and it's got more off-road oriented suspension, if I had to guess. But essentially the same bike with a bigger engine. And it shows. This thing is badass, man. I really like this. Woohoo! Slight little bit of speed wobble on them knobblies. Little wobbly on the knobblies. It's my first time experiencing that. And that right there, folks, is why I don't want a fucking crazy fast bike by any means. Okay, heated grips were still on. I guess I just had them on level 1 after I thought I turned them off. But now they off, so my hands can cool the freak down. That's cool though, man. For people who ride when it's cool weather, man, that's cool having heated grips on a motorcycle. That's fancy. BMW just really knows what the F is going on, man. Yeah, I don't know, man. I really think these knobblies lean over better than the street tires did. So this bike is extremely comfortable. If you didn't see my last video, I'm 6'2", 280. And this might seem like a kind of small bike, but it's comfy for a big man like me. So, like I said last time, don't be afraid to hop on a smaller bike if you're a big dude, man. Just try it out. Never know. I thought for sure I was just gonna be a cruiser guy because I'm big, but I'm gonna tell you what, these upright standards and ADV style bikes, man, I like this shit a lot. It is comfy. We are getting beat down by the wind right now. Oh yeah, this exhaust sounds real good. That definitely sounds even better than the F800 did. I love this. Our ride leader knows what the fuck is going on, man. Slows down right here so we can get to it. Let that truck get up ahead. Now we can move out. Yeah, this bike feels absolutely wonderful, man. This is definitely something I consider buying a few years down the road when I have the kind of money to buy something like this. It's a badass bike, man. I'm gonna throw this bitch in rain mode. And I mean, it still pulls nicely in rain mode. You definitely gotta twist it more to get it really going, but she still hits in rain mode, no doubt. Yeah, that quick shifter just makes life so easy, man. It's absolutely incredible. Yeah, she kicks, man. It's in rain mode. I mean, it hits. Let's switch it back to road. Oh no. Oh no. Shorty's struggling. She was struggling to get that thing leaned over right through that turn. Oh man, this is nice. These roads are just money right now. It's a good thing these bikes must have some wheelie control on them because that shit would definitely be coming up if not. And I am not ready for all that. Yeah, she pulls nicely. This wind is crazy today, man. I know it's not about to sound as good as it did yesterday, but that's alright. This is a fun bike, man. Yeah, I love how this thing looks. I love the way it feels. I'm actually real interested in adventure bikes, man, because I would like to get something eventually that I could ride to an off-road trail and do a little light. Oh, damn. Fool almost pulled out and hit that SUV. Yeah, I would love to get an adventure bike someday. Something I could just ride on the street to some light trails and have fun on some trails. And this might be the bike for me, to be honest, man. This thing is nasty. It's like we got some coppers up here. Yeah, I definitely got to get me something like this, if not this bike. And if it wasn't clear how I felt about it in the F800 video, every bike needs a quick shifter. I mean, that shit is life-changing. It's so clean, so smooth. Even in low RPMs, that quick shifter does its job. Well, yeah, we got some of that Sunday traffic today, boy. Go ahead, big dog. Might as well put her down in the first while we're just creeping here. Look at this traffic. Goodness. See how far we can go without stopping. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Almost got to zero. I gotta figure out how to open this damn visor with my camera right in front of it. Look at ride leader. She's short, man. She be riding the shit out of those bikes, though. Go on ahead, Anita. Oh, yes. Getting some good low-speed fucking clutch work practice here. That's for damn sure. Some good throttle modulation practice. These are some pretty bikes, man. I was not a big fan of the adventure bike look before. The sport touring type shits, man, but these BMWs are nice. That 900 throwing off a little more heat than that 800 was yesterday. I love that these bikes come with the hand guards or whatever. This dude right here is just cruising. About to fuck around and get us left behind, shawty. Is this dude asleep? Okay, it looked like this man was sleeping when I saw him in the mirror. I hope y'all can see that in the video. That's funny as fuck. A couple people out here with passengers today. That's cool. It's nice and easy to fill out that friction zone. I'm sure there's some type of assist on these bikes, but that's nice and easy. Easy breezy. Looks like it has cruise control too. Yeah, this thing is cool, man. Adjustable front shocks and whatnot. Guess we'll put her in neutral since seem like we're gonna be at this light for a minute. Oh yeah, that F900 engine definitely gets a little hotter. Oh, not. Why did that Boss 302 sound like a V6? No way he just put a fucking 302 sticker on the road again. Sunday traffic is crazy today, man. Glad we got a nice little break right here. Looks like the ride is almost over. I know I didn't talk very much about this one, but this bike is pretty much the one that I rode yesterday, just with a bigger engine, knobby tires, beefier suspension, just more of an off-road variant. But it rides beautifully on the street as well, man. I mean, it's definitely something that I would ride around town and ride out to some light trails, do a little bit of off-roading on. This thing probably kicks ass off-road. Oh yeah, she'll throw you back. Yes, sir. And we are back at the BMW Royal Enfield of Cleveland. Ooh, Triumph Daytona, that's nasty. That's nasty. Let me get this bitch in neutral. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. I like it a lot. That's a nasty little bike, man. Alright, folks, that has been the F900 GS. I have some more content here for you soon. We'll see about maybe riding another bike here. But we'll catch y'all on the next one.